Γεια σας, καλημέρα. Με λένε Στάλο. The word Lipon is one of the most useful words in the Greek language. It can express conclusions and emotions and can create a smoother transition and flow of topics. Lipon has evolved from the ancient Greek adjective lipos, which means remaining, the rest of. Lipon is the neuter form of the adjective. The word lipon is a conjunction and an adverb. It's very versatile. It has multiple functions. It can be used on many different levels, from very formal to very informal, very casual. It's commonly used both in speaking and in writing, and it can be placed in various positions in the sentence. It can be translated into English in several different ways depending on the context. It's often translated as so, well, then, well then, therefore. Let's look at the equivalents in some other languages too. In French, it's alors. In Spanish, entonces. In Italian, allora. In German, also. Do you have a similar word in your language? I would love to hear about it. Write it in the comments below. As mentioned earlier, Lipon has multiple functions. Let's go over some of the main ones. Number 1, it introduces a conclusion. Number 2, it introduces a transition, a shift in topic. Number 3, it acts as a filler word. Number 4, it expresses emotions. Please have in mind that the boundaries of these categories are not always very clear, and these categories may overlap. For example, sometimes Lipon may act as a filler word and a transitional word at the same time. It introduces a conclusion or summary based on previous statements. Δεν νιώθω καλά. Θα μείνω λοιπόν σπίτι. I'm not feeling well, therefore I will stay home. Ξύπνησα αργά. Έχασα λοιπόν το λεωφορείο. I woke up late, so I missed the bus. Sometimes it's combined with the word άρα for more emphasis. This is more frequently used in math. Εργάστηκες πολύ σκληρά. Άρα λοιπόν θα κερδίσεις. You worked very hard, therefore you will win. Έχασα το λεωφορείο, άρα λοιπόν θα περπατήσω. I missed the bus, therefore I will walk. It introduces a transition, a shift in topic, by connecting previous statements with what follows. Λοιπόν, τι άλλο θέλεις να αγοράσεις? So, what else do you want to buy? Λοιπόν, ας πάμε στην επόμενη ερώτηση. So, let's move on to the next question. It acts as a filler word at the beginning of a sentence to indicate a shift in topic or to gather our thoughts. Λοιπόν, τι λέγαμε? So, what were we saying? Λοιπόν, είδα την αδελφή σου χθες. So, I saw your sister yesterday. Λοιπόν, κανένα νέο? So, anything new? It can express a variety of emotions such as urgency, encouragement, interest, frustration, excitement, indifference, disappointment, and many more. Τι θέλεις από μένα λοιπόν? So, what do you want from me? Λοιπόν, πάμε! Well then, let's go! Λοιπόν, πού αλλού πήγες το καλοκαίρι? So, where else did you go in the summer? Λοιπόν, Για να δούμε τι έχουμε εδώ. Well, let's see what we have here. Η Μαργαρίτα έφυγε. Μαργαρίτα left. Και λοιπόν, so what? The combination of και and λοιπόν shows indifference about something. So, give it a shot. Try to use the word λοιπόν the next time you speak Greek. Λοιπόν, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας.